If I were a blackbird, I'd whistle and sing. Maybe it's more than the earth, shiny and silvery blue, drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words. The drums do beat and the wars do alarm. The captain calls, we must obey. So farewell, farewell, tomorrow's going to start. So it's early in the morning, the rain and snow on everyone. Drifters off to see
I kind of wanted to take the essence of what he did in my arrangement because it totally changes your idea of the song.
And they both sit down together, love to hear the nightingale sing. Well, said the young maid, will you marry me? Oh no, said the soldier, however can that be? Riches I heed not, nor man's empty praise. Thou must stargazing dreamer.
She keeps telling me that I need to tone it down. Kristyn, a little too flamboyant. You know?
Stargazing dreamer is who I'm meant to be. Every word was kind and dear, no differences that day. When your sweet lilting laughter like some fairy song, and your eyes twinkle bright as can be. The way that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear.